What's up, guys? It's your boy Jamal. Fast Rip Breaks here today with another video. We got today the Donruss 23-24 soccer box from Panini and Donruss. And these we're pretty much looking for the Kabooms, rookie cards Yamela, Andrick, Adaguel, and many more other players, especially for the ultra rare Kabooms and inserts. In the box, you pretty much are looking for this. Let me get this open up for you guys. Look at a better view. Right there. I'll be putting right here the table of what you possibly can get out of this. And yeah, and we got some extra packs that came in the mail with it when I ordered this from Target. This was about like 35 bucks, and they threw in the 225 card value packs. So yeah, before we open this, let's get into this real quick, and yeah, just rip through it because it's just pretty basic, honestly, and there's nothing crazy in this. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, Ronaldo. Let's see. Gapo. Declan Rice. Phil Foden. Simeon. Hoyland. Barella. Nuku. Dembele. Ronnie. Rafael. Everton. Willian. Rookie card. Marcus Edwards. Optic. These won't usually be numbered at all if you look at it. So if you on the top foil, you'll see the number card right here. It'll show you what number it is. The rest is just basic Pickford, Max Thurman, Ginter. And these are just base sets right here. Nothing pretty crazy, honestly. So let's put these to the side over here. Open this last one up. And yeah, thank you guys for the support. Much appreciated. Let's keep on going with these videos. Becker, Declan Rice. Oh, wow, rookie card. There we go. We got him. The guy we've been looking for. Even though it's a base set, going right there. Heck yeah. Can put that guy right here. I'll put him in a sleeve a little bit later. Bruno Alvarez, Reece James, Camavinga, Pepe, Silva, Alexis McAllister from Argentina. I'm out of a player. Ferran Torres, Rodri, Hakan, Martinelli, and the rest of the cards, same players pretty much. Mickey Dan Van. Yeah, that's pretty much for the value pack. Not a bad pull, honestly. Rookie card player Yamal. Pretty solid. And yeah, let's get into the box. Pretty much looking for autos in this. So yeah. Gapo, Declan Rice, Phil Foden, Martinez, Barella, Thurman, Angel Demira, Brian Bobby, Dillman, Kobe Manu, the rookie. Oh, it's a good card. Put that here. Benduck and Union Simeon. Pretty much a lot of base sets. It's gonna be rare to pull a number card or autograph or a boom, so, but it's always worth it, you know. Anything here? Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Hoyland, Barella, Nuku, Dembele again, Chesney, Vlahovic. That's our silver. Barjuan. Oh. France, that's one of the celebrations. You want to pull a red one? It's around red, like the Real Madrid one. Not bad, honestly. Crunch time, Pitch Kings, and Fernando Lopez. Rookie card. Pretty not bad. Not bad, not bad. So, I'll put a link down below where I purchased this off of Target. And yeah, you can grab yourself one. Weston McKinney. Angel Di Maria. Ter Stegen. Odegaard. Trap. Dina. Ooh, and we got a number card. Pink parallel. Alexander Mitrovic. 88 out of 99. Not bad, not bad. Got this for Serbia. Yeah, that's the second player we have got out of this. We can put this here. There you go. Put them right here. And yeah, the rest of the cards we got. Oh, and rookie card, Endrick. Wow, that's another good pull. You just signed with Real Madrid. You just seen it. Wow, it's really good. Really good. Holland. Ricky Kings. Guzman. Oh, in Adagorel. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Pretty much you've been want to be looking for all these rookies right here. These are the main guys. Let's put this right here. Wow. These are the three main guys you pretty want out of these boxes. So, wow. Solid box so far. For what it's worth, honestly. But what are the chances to get these three rookie players right here? So, John Stones, Pedri, Mason Mount, Mudryk, Götze, Brian Bobby, and the parallel is Martinez from Inter Milan. Crunch time, Yannick Bissac, last card, rookie card. You got 2 more packs to open up. Tchouameni, Turner, Messi, Arnold, Bergwijn, Garter, Pepe, John Stones, and upside down. And we have a optic blaster of James Madison. Pretty okay card. We got Argentina, Simeon, Pitch Kings, and rated rookie, David Bartigas. Into the final pack. See what we get in this last pack here. Laporte, KDB, DeLonzo, Saucedo, Costa, Evans, Coach, Pedri, and a rated rookie card Everton from Palmeiras. Ooh, rated rookie Adagwell rookie Kings. That's another great pull. Another great pull. And Ferdinand Lopez rookie card. And yeah, Ratiga. Last rated rookie. Great pull rookie cards, honestly, in a pink parallel. Yeah, guys, let's do a recap now of the best pack, the best cards we pulled. I mean, we got these Ferdinand Lopez, France Celebrations team, Ferdinand Lopez again, Kobe Manu, the English Premier League player with Manu. We got Lamine Yamal rookie card. We got two Arda Güler, the Turkish player, rookie cards. Honestly, not bad at all. And we got Endrick, rookie card, young guy, starting his career with Real Madrid. And a pink optic that we pulled, numbered Alexander Mitrovic from Serbia, 88 out of 99. And yeah, honestly, was it worth it? Yeah, I give it a good solid 8 out of 10. You can probably pull better stuff like the kabooms or autographs. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Just please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and let me know what another box y'all want to open up. And yeah, I'll have more videos coming out soon. Just waiting for some things coming in the mail, and I'll get it right out to you. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good day.